what you're saying is these are cases that should really be fought in China, but for some reason they're being fought in the United States. Welcome to the latest episode of Blood Money. Today we have a very special guest. We're not going to give this gentleman's name. This is going to be held in complete secrecy because this individual is going to expose how the Chinese are using lawfare to essentially infiltrate our system, how this is one of the key components of their plans to harm and or destroy our country. So, sir, first, could you give us any information you're comfortable giving about yourself and setting up the information you're about to expose?
Sure. Well, I'm a lawyer here in the United States, and as you might appreciate, when we come across certain matters, certain cases, certain people, things really start to trouble you. And it sits certain things sit very uncomfortably with me. And this really started when one started looking at a series of cases, not that I'm directly involved with them at all, but as you know, we all go down rabbit holes and we all start looking and seeing. And I wondered as to what extent the certain arms of state-owned entities and Chinese governmental entities, why certain cases were being prosecuted or taken in the way that they were. And one of them that really struck me was this case of Northeast Securities. And Northeast Securities was going out of its way to try and use the American courts and certainly the courts in California, to try and enforce judgments that they have against mixed either Chinese or Chinese-American individuals in the United States. And it's sometimes concerning assets that are allegedly there in China against people that at a certain point they had Chinese jurisdiction over, but yet they're litigating these cases in the United States. And it didn't sit well with me, because why are they doing it over there in China?
So what you're saying is these are cases that should really be fought in China, but for some reason they're being fought in the United States.
Well, yes. And I think I know the reason is this.